Have you ever been to a boat or auto show? How about a consumer product show? Did the design of the sign on a local business or a billboard on a highway catch your eye? Did you like what you saw? Did you think it would be great to be part of the show? If you answered yes to any of these questions, pursuing a career in the iFTI trade show or sign and display crafts may be right for you. Signage is crafted to meet the requirements of the customer using innovative and high-quality workmanship. So exactly what does a trade show worker do? Trade show workers move and handle freight, rig equipment, and set up and dismantle exhibits and modular systems. They transform empty facilities into a full show presentation quickly and efficiently. Your work as a trade show worker can vary greatly depending on your employer, but your daily tasks could include rigging and hanging signs and decoration, installing and removing carpet, pipe, and drapes, consulting with clients about design requirements, interpreting sketches and three-dimensional computer-generated images. So exactly what does a sign and display worker do? Sign and display craftspeople design, fabricate, construct, paint, and install interior and exterior signage using a variety of materials, such as metal, vinyl, glass, plexiglass, wood, neon, and plastic. Most common tasks are lettering for windows and vehicles, plastic and neon signs, and signage for trade shows, office complexes, shopping plazas, and other locations. You'll perform a variety of duties that require knowledge of a broad variety of materials and many different tools, such as applying paint backgrounds by brush, spray, or roller, hand painting lettering, as in traditional sign making, or bending glass into shape and fitting basic electrical wiring if producing illuminated or animated signs, cutting sign frames out from aluminum, installing signs on site, which may be done at a height. What kind of knowledge do I need? The kind of knowledge required to perform these jobs well is as varied as the tools and techniques you will learn to use. You'll need to know the federal, state, and provincial regulations that govern your trade, and you'll undergo training, which will keep you and others safe in the job. Business and management. You'll need to learn project management if you hope to move up to foreman, superintendent, or project manager. Customer service. You may be dealing with clients on the job, and it always helps to be good at it. Communication is key, and it will be both written and verbal. Engineering and technology. The more you know, the faster you can progress in your expertise. What basic skills must you have? As a worker in either of these trades, you'll need listening skills, listening to others, not interrupting, and asking the right questions. Problem solving, thinking about the pros and cons of different ways to solve a problem. Understanding people's reaction. This means you'll need to be able to react tactfully, clarify statements, and relay information accurately. Accuracy and attention to detail. You'll need good math skills, especially for measurements and calculations. The ability to pick up new skills quickly is important, and to keep up to date with new techniques. Excellent communication skills are a must. You'll need organizational, project and time management skills, and teamworking skills. Of course, much of your job is going to be the handling of tools and materials. What kind of personality fits this trade? You might ask yourself, what does personality have to do with being a trade show and sign and display worker? You'll need to exhibit suitable appearance and personal hygiene, exhibit proper attitude and behavior on job sites, including private residences and other occupied buildings, dealing with difficult customers in a professional and courteous manner, interpret written and verbal instructions well, and recognize the importance of cooperation and interaction with related occupations on a job site. And like all the trades, you are part of a team, so teamwork is essential. Using computers is a fact of life in any job these days. The trades are no exception. You must be willing to learn new technology and techniques. It all boils down to being able to work well with others, communicate clearly, and be dependable. It takes more than just a keen eye and steady hand. It takes maturity and professionalism too. What education is needed? You might ask yourself, what kind of education do I need to be a trade show and signs and display worker? Your credentials will be nationally recognized in the industry and can open the door for you to get a job with a good company anywhere in the country. And the iFTI can also assist you in furthering your education. Now, as you continue in your career after completing your apprenticeship and becoming a journey worker, you'll want to pursue additional training and certifications, and this will require more classroom time and on-the-job training. What is the job outlook? Employment opportunities mostly arise within general design companies and an exhibition displays division, though there are some specialist companies.
As more and more companies choose to do trade shows, the demand for this craft is increasing. The future looks bright for sign and display workers.
So, just to recap, trade show and sign and display workers design, fabricate, construct, paint, and install interior and exterior signage and show displays of all types. Depending on the craft you choose, you may be required to lift heavy objects, learn graphic design, and work with a variety of materials to construct displays and build signs according to customer requirements. If you aren't 100% confident in your mental and physical ability to work in such a fast-paced, detail-oriented, and ever-changing environment, or your ability to kneel for prolonged periods or lift heavy material all day every day, being a trade show and sign and display worker is probably not for you. Are you right for this trade? Is this trade right for you? This is an important question and one you should consider carefully. If you are sure about this apprenticeship, then go ahead and explore your bold future today at the IUPAT.